So what I learned from the last session on ethics, I've learned that there are so many situations where potential conflict can arise that it's becoming increasingly difficult for large companies, especially with all the mergers and large law firms becoming even larger and larger, to do the due diligence and to do their research and identify those potential conflicts. And also, it's not such a bad idea to work for a smaller law firm, it seems.
For me, from this last session, it was interesting to see the U.S. perspective. I come from Poland, and it's really nice to hear how U.S. practitioners see the question of conflict of interest. Because sometimes when clients from the U.S. approach us, they ask us about the conflict of interest. So it's good to know what they are actually expecting, what they are looking forward.
Something I learned about the past session was just getting into in-house counsel's head and know what their perspective is about conflicts. For outside counsel, it's always good to know what their opinion is and what we should take into consideration.
And how about you?
If there's anything I learned, it's that you have to keep your eyes open for conflicts in any situation because they can always arise no matter where you are.
I found this session really helpful that I learned a lot of practical tips from outside counsel, inside counsel, and it's very comforting to know that what you're doing is right after hearing the session, and also to learn, some of things maybe you're not doing that right, so you learn from this. So I found this very helpful, and also it's a great networking experience as all the meetings have been offering us. So I'm always, I'm very happy to always be part of any program that Intel offers.
The one thing I learned on the last session I thoroughly appreciated was the conflicts that in-house counsel go through, and it's a new appreciation of their relationships and what they need to transpire to us once they get to our house counsel.
And for me, what I learned from the last session is basically as an outside counsel, if in doubt, just ask.